How to manage Gmail desktop notifications on PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to manage and edit Gmail desktop notifications easily and fast. All what you have to do is go to Gmail. Now go here in the top, click on the settings option and click on see all settings and scroll down on this page until you find the desktop notifications option right here. As you can see, now from here you can manage notifications as you want. From here you have new mail notification on, mail notifications off, important mail notification on. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.